tell our audience about like what's here. What is this Advanced Technology Center? Why do you guys have it? And if I'm an SME, how do I use it?
Well, there's actually two technology centers. One of them resides at Goodwin University, and that's the Advanced Composites Center. Now, the beauty of that is, even if you're not interested in composites, it's actually a work of art for Industry 4.0 technology, fully automated, scanning technologies, a whole host of things that it's not just about what you might be building or about the particular material. It's about the other things that can be demonstrated and show you how these might have an application to your business. Where we are today on Silver Lane, this Advanced Technology Center is broken up into two parts. The one we're sitting in right now, again, advanced design, automation, and metrology. Three of the most important things that we have gotten feedback here at CCAT for probably 3 to 5 years. And now we've been able to create the right facility with the right assets. Another side of the shop that we don't see here today is the additive technology optimization and machining side. So there's over 6 different types of additive technology to do a big, broad cross-section of industry. And here in Connecticut, it's not just about aerospace. We've got shipbuilding. We build these little things called submarines, but we have rotocraft, we have medical device, we have automotive, we have consumer product. We have so many incredible industrial companies here and supply chains that support them. So we have all these things here that can be demonstrated to them, showcased to them. And of course, I know we'll get to the team here, but you've got to have that advanced team of engineers that really understand that hands-on. They've spent time on the shop floor. And how do we tie that in? So an SME, a small, medium-sized enterprise, can look us up on the website or one of the programs almost daily that we have, webinars and workshops and trainings, and see, wow, what are some of the challenges we have? How do we engage that company, really analyze what's going on there, bring them in here, and go to their company and really work out a solution for them?